Hello, I'm Dr. Asma Faiz. I teach political science at Lahore University of Management Sciences. I am visiting IBA to attend a workshop where we basically are debating the future, the current state, the solutions to many challenges faced by the undergraduate education in Pakistan. It is a fantastic opportunity because the brainstorming session involves very esteemed colleagues from IBA, from Aga Khan University, from Habib University, from University of Balochistan. I think it's a very good initiative that has been taken by IBA to bring together professionals, academics, teachers or coming from different disciplinary backgrounds, different educational institutions to come together and think about how to improvise the kind of education that we deliver to our students in Pakistan. And especially this is a very relevant question because if we look at the turbulent world that we are part of, whether we are looking at so many conflicts, whether we are looking at financial scarcity, rising income and class inequality within Pakistan and outside Pakistan, again, growing challenges of radicalization, extremism, the challenges to academic freedom, both on campuses within Pakistan and all over the world, as have been witnessed. So I think I'm really appreciative of IBA or for this initiative, and I hope that these conversations and dialogues can lead to some kind of meaningful exchange of ideas, which can then be disseminated in the wider networks of universities in Pakistan.